Hello and welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I am Bryan Fagan, and today I will walk you through what a no-fault divorce means, what to expect, and how to navigate the process smoothly. Divorce can be emotional and complex, but Texas offers a no-fault option that can make things more straightforward. In Texas, no fault means that neither spouse has to prove wrongdoing to end the marriage. Instead of blaming one party for the breakdown of the relationship, the divorce is based on insupportability, which means that the marriage can't be saved due to conflict or discord. This can make the process less contentious and, in many cases, more efficient. However, even in a no-fault divorce, couples must still resolve important issues like property division, child custody, and support. If both spouses agree on these matters, the process moves smoother. But if disputes arise, negotiations or courtroom intervention may be necessary. Let's talk about Emily and Jake. After 12 years of marriage, they realized they had grown apart. There was no infidelity, no abuse, or no major conflict, just two people who no longer shared the same vision for their future. They decided to file for no-fault divorce, hoping to keep things amicable. At first, everything seemed simple. They agreed to sell their home and split the proceeds, but when it came to child custody, tensions grew. Emily wanted to relocate for a new job, while Jake wanted to maintain joint custody and stay in Texas. They initially struggled to find any common ground, but through mediation, they reached a compromise that prioritized the child's well-being. Emily agreed to stay in Texas for a few more years, and Jake adjusted his schedule to allow for scheduled extended summer visitation. By filing for a no-fault divorce and working through their disagreements, Emily and Jake avoided a lengthy courtroom battle. They finalized their divorce in just a few months, saving both time and money while keeping their relationship civil for co-parenting. If you are considering a no-fault divorce in Texas, here is what you can expect. First, there is a mandatory 60-day waiting period from the time you file until the divorce can be finalized. This gives couples time to ensure they are making the right decision. Second, property and debt must be divided fairly. Texas is a community property state, meaning that most assets acquired during the marriage will be split between the spouses unless agreed otherwise. Third, if children are involved, a parenting plan must be established. Even in amicable divorces, child custody arrangements must be in the child's best interest. Lastly, courtroom involvement depends on how well parties agree. If everything is uncontested, the process is smooth. But if disputes arise, mediation or courtroom hearings may be necessary. A no-fault divorce can be the simplest path for a fresh start, but every case is unique. If you need guidance, schedule a free 30-minute consultation today. Make sure to like, subscribe for more legal insights, and until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and take care. Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.